in this video, let's talk about the tables in Bootstrap. First of all, I've created here one file, and I'll show you the Bootstrap table example through the Bootstrap official website. First of all, you can see here, this is the Bootstrap official website. You can visit the official website through the getbootstrap.com website. This is the official website. So first of all, go to the content sites, and after going into the content site, just click on the table. And after clicking on the table, you can copy the code from here. If you want these types of table, then you can simply copy this code from here by clicking on this click copy option, right? I'm copying there and copying here, and I'm just pasting here. And if I click on the go live options from here, this code is running here. Now I got this table here. So if I want to add more one column here, then I can just copy the tr tag from here. And if I paste here, now I got the another row here, right? Also, I can change the value here, like the 3 into the 4. And also I can change this inside the text also. Right? I got this code from here. And if you go again into the Bootstrap websites, and if you scroll down, you can change the color also. If I want to put the primary color for the table, then I can copy this primary color, and I can put this color into the table in this class, okay? And if I go to the browser, now I got this, okay? Now I got this primary color. Likewise, you can change anything from here, and you can set by yourself also if you want to change the color. And also you can make this strip row. It means you can change the color from one row to the another row. You can simply copy this table in strip class from here and just go to here and just put the table strip. And you go to the browser. Now you can see here the color is changed in each row, right? The two row has the different color. And if I again go into here, and if I scroll down, and if I want to change the table at dark, then I can copy the table dark class from here. And if I paste here, and if I go to here, now this table we can see dark. Likewise, if I want to hoverable row, then I can simply type here, copy here the table hover class. And then if I go to here, and if I paste this table hover, and if I go to the browser, and if I hover the row, then its color is changed during the hovering time, right? So likewise, you can change anything from here by using your you can use by you can practice it by yourself also. So in this way, you can simply copy the table from here. Also, if you want to save the border, then you can copy the table border from here and just go to here and just paste the table border. And now I will got the table border here. And if you want to remove the border from here, then you can simply type the borderless class, right? This is the table borderless, okay? So if you want to make the small table, then you can type here the table SM. And if you go to here, and if you put the table SM, then the size of this row as become here is smaller. So in this way, you can use the table in the Bootstrap. If you get any confusion regarding this video, then you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you so very much.